Do you want to save more money? Of course you do. We all do. It's a universal desire, isn't it? The quest to save money is one that unites us all. Whether it's for a rainy day, a dream vacation, or just the peace of mind that comes with a well-padded bank account, saving money is a goal that's as worthy as it is essential. Today, we're focusing on exactly that. Simple ways to save money. The beauty of it? You don't need to be a financial wizard to implement these strategies. With a few tweaks here and there, you'll be amazed at how your savings can grow. Remember, it's not just about having extra cash for those luxuries we all crave. It's about securing your future, being prepared for unexpected emergencies, and having the freedom to make choices that enhance your life. So, are you ready to boost your savings? Stay tuned as we delve into practical and easy-to-follow tips on saving money. First things first, set a budget. It's easier said than done, right? But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate this financial landscape. Setting a budget is like laying the foundation of a house. Without a strong foundation, everything else may crumble. It's the same with your finances. A budget gives you a clear view of your income and expenses, helping you understand where your money is going and where you might need to pull back. Now, let's demystify the concept of budgeting. It's not about depriving yourself of what you love or living on a shoestring. Rather, it's about understanding your financial situation and making informed decisions. It's about being in control, not feeling controlled. Think of your budget as a financial roadmap. It shows you your starting point, your destination, and the path to get there. It not only guides you, but also keeps you on track. If you veer off course, your budget is there to help you find your way back. There are various methods to budgeting, and it's crucial to find the one that suits you best. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. Here, 50% of your income goes towards necessities like rent and groceries, 30% towards wants like dining out or entertainment, and the remaining 20% towards savings or paying off debt. This method provides a simple, flexible framework for managing your money. However, remember that budgeting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. You may need to tweak the percentages based on your individual circumstances and goals. The key is to start somewhere and adjust as you go. But why bother with all this budgeting business? Well, without a budget, you might find yourself wondering where all your money went at the end of the month. With a budget, you're in the driver's seat, deciding where each dollar goes and making your money work for you. Remember, a budget is not a restriction, it's a liberation from financial stress. It's your ticket to financial freedom and peace of mind. So take that first step and set a budget today. You've got this. Now that you have a budget, it's time to cut down on unnecessary expenses. A key aspect of managing your finances is understanding where your money goes and making intentional decisions about spending. Let's begin with your food budget. Eating out frequently can take a significant bite out of your budget. Consider cooking at home more often. It's not only healthier, but also more cost-effective. If you think you're too busy to cook, meal prepping on weekends can be a game changer. You'll have ready-to-eat meals for the entire week, saving you both time and money. Next, let's talk about subscriptions. How many do you have? From streaming services to gym memberships, these costs can add up quickly. Take a close look at your bank statements and cancel any subscriptions you don't use regularly. And remember, just because you used to use a service doesn't mean you need to keep it if it's not serving you now. Shopping smart is another way to cut down on expenses. When you need to make a purchase, do some research first. Compare prices, look for discounts, and consider buying secondhand. You'd be surprised at the quality items you can find at thrift stores or online resale platforms. Also, consider the difference between wants and needs. A need is something you must have to survive, like food and shelter. A want is something you would like to have but don't necessarily need for survival. It's okay to splurge on wants occasionally, but focusing on needs can significantly reduce your expenses. Another tip is to automate your savings. Once you've figured out how much you can save each month, set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. This way, you're saving money before you have a chance to spend it. Finally, remember to review your budget regularly. Your financial situation can change, and so should your budget. Regular reviews will help you stay on track and adjust your spending habits as necessary. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about making smarter choices. Cutting expenses doesn't mean you can't enjoy life. It's about prioritizing what truly matters to you and making conscious decisions about your money. Did you know you can save a lot of money just by being more energy efficient? It might seem like a small thing, but the dollars and cents really do add up over time. Let's dive into how you can make a difference in your utility bills starting today. First off, let's talk about lighting. Do you ever leave a room without turning off the light? It's a common habit, but a costly one. Make it a practice to always switch off lights when they're not in use. And while we're on the subject of lights, consider switching to LED bulbs. They use up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs and last up to 25 times longer. That's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Next, let's discuss appliances. Energy-efficient appliances might seem like a big investment up front, but they can save you a bundle in the long run. Look for appliances with the Energy Star label. These products meet strict efficiency guidelines set by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency and the Department of Energy. From refrigerators to washing machines, these appliances can significantly lower your utility bills. Now let's talk about water. Did you know that the average family can waste over 9,000 gallons of water each year from household leaks alone? That's enough to wash more than 300 loads of laundry. Regularly checking for and fixing leaks can save a lot of water and money. Also, consider installing low-flow shower heads and faucets and only run your dishwasher or washing machine with full loads. And finally, heating and cooling. These can be some of the biggest energy hogs in your home. But simple things like adjusting your thermostat a few degrees, using fans to circulate air, and sealing drafts can all help to reduce your energy consumption. Remember, the goal here isn't just to save money. It's also about reducing our carbon footprint and being more sustainable. Every little bit helps, and it all adds up in the end. While saving is important, increasing your income can also make a big difference. So let's dive into some strategies that can help you do just that. First off, consider getting a part-time job. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're already working full-time, right? But hear me out. Part-time doesn't necessarily mean you need to sacrifice your leisure time. It could be something as simple as tutoring in your field of expertise over the weekend or picking up a few hours at a local store. It's all about finding something that suits your skills and schedule. Next up, let's talk about selling unused items. Take a look around your house. Do you see things that you haven't used in a while? It could be anything from an old bicycle to clothes that no longer fit, or even furniture that's just taking up space. These items can be sold online on platforms like eBay or Craigslist, turning your clutter into cash. It's a win-win situation. You declutter your space and make some extra money. Now onto something a bit more ambitious, starting a side hustle. What's a side hustle, you ask? It's a business venture that you can pursue alongside your regular job. This could be anything from freelance writing to starting a blog to offering a handyman service. The possibilities are endless. The best part about a side hustle is that it allows you to turn a passion into a profit-making venture. It might require more effort initially, but the potential for income growth makes it worth considering. Last but not least, don't forget about passive income. This is money you earn without actively working for it, like from rental properties, dividends from investments, or royalties from a book you've written. While setting up these streams might take some time and investment, the long-term benefits are substantial. Remember, the more income you have, the more you can save. So, start exploring these options today and watch your savings grow tomorrow. So, are you ready to start saving more money? We've explored some simple yet effective ways to help you save. We started by setting a budget, a fundamental step that allows you to understand where your money is going and how you can better manage it. Next, we dove into the realm of cutting down on expenses. Whether it's skipping that daily latte or choosing a cheaper gym membership, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. Then we looked at saving on utilities. Small changes in your daily habits, like turning off lights when not in use, can result in significant savings in the long run. Finally, we discussed increasing income. Whether it's a side gig, selling unused items, or asking for a raise, there are numerous ways to boost your earning potential. Start saving today, and you'll be amazed at how much you can accumulate over time. Remember, every penny counts.